Multiple professors teaching multiple classes in multiple buildings for multiple books, requiring you to take multiple notes to study for multiple tests. Woo! It's enough to make your head spin. Your average OC student has a ton to keep track of. And with all this chaos, it's no wonder that one of the areas where students struggle most is with proper organizational skills. Improving your organizational skills can greatly alleviate the anxiety and stress that comes with doing classwork and taking tests. Being more organized means that due dates can't sneak up on you if you don't let them. Organization is one of those skills that everyone recognizes how important it is, while at the same time not really knowing the best way to go about it. So let's review some tips for how to keep yourself more organized, not just in class, but in life as well. There aren't many problems that feature a magic bullet one-size-fits-all solution. But luckily for us, proper organization is one of those problems. There are a variety of digital and paper organizers and apps that can take a lot of the effort out of organizing your schedule. If you're able to get yourself into the habit of actually using an organizer and not just leaving it at the bottom of your backpack, a calendar or a daily planner can take much of the guesswork out of organization. The formatting is all laid out for you. All you need to do is fill in the boxes. Getting used to doing this regularly will provide you with a single resource that has all of your pertinent information and scheduling in one place. If you can't stand the idea of hauling around a mini notebook everywhere you go, there are a number of digital planning apps that can be used with your phone. Using technology is a great way to stay organized. An easy way to double down on digital organization is to type up all of your notes. This way, you can search for specific topics or subjects that you need to look at. Once you get done with those notes, make sure that you store them somewhere out of the way. There's no need to clutter up your bags or folders with notes from week 2 of your class if you no longer need them. Instead, try putting your notes in a box in your closet or under your bed. This way you can focus on the current material, but you still have access to those old notes if you ever need a refresher. Organizing your time is just as important as organizing your notes. Make sure that you proactively put time for your schoolwork into your schedule. Otherwise, that time will more than likely end up being filled with something less productive, like online overseas gambling on corgi racing. Making checklists is another technique to make the most use of your time and to help your self-confidence. This makes big projects look less intimidating by breaking them up into smaller tasks. It also gives you the satisfaction of crossing items off your list. After you start getting into the habit of using these organizational techniques, it can begin to develop momentum. It becomes easier and easier until one day it just becomes second nature, and you can't imagine what it was like before you knew how to stay organized. This presentation is an Odessa College Academic Success mini workshop. For more information on future academic workshops or to request a topic for a future workshop, please contact us at lrc@odessa.edu.